Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the zoom effect tutorial in VN. So here I've already on my VN apps and I'm going to click on new project and add the video to the VN editing. Okay, so I add 6 clips, and in here if you want to use the zoom effect, just click on each clips and find the zoom options. Okay, so just browse over the toolbar at the bottom until you find zoom. This one's right here. Click on that and then you can choose the zoom that you want. For example, I want to zoom in, then click on a check again, and then for the second clip I'm going to zoom out, and then the third clip. Okay, you can just choose whatever or whichever zoom effects that you want. Okay, for the last clip I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to delete the ending part, and here is the result of the zoom effect in VN. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.